Here, Taylor, from one of our outstanding installers, Harris, is replacing an unreliable wireless access control system with an encrypted channel hopping Surefire wireless system that will actually get through the heavy obstruction and work every time.
These guys had wireless set up for their access control for 8 doors, and we're having issues with it, not working, I guess range issues, and just cards not reading, and so they wanted to switch it out for something that was gonna work. I like them. That's the first wireless access control stuff I've ever used, and I was hesitant on it working, but everyone I've done has worked really well. We've got 5 doors in this building, one at either end, front and back door, and then one other access door. The farthest one in the next building is quite a ways away. I was worried that that one wouldn't work, and it worked good. That was their main issues, was the other building.
Evan with the Salt Lake Housing Authority expressed his frustration with the previous system and how pleased he was with the professionalism of Harris in their installation of all 8 of the access points with Surefire systems.
Authority of Salt Lake City, Taylor Spring Apartments. We recently had Harris install this system, which has been outstanding. We have not had one problem. It's an excellent system. We like the fact that we can expand on it. We also like the fact that it's a guaranteed product.
Another example of how Surefire units give you freedom from wire with great reliability to get the job done.